The new law passed by Congress gave the FTC, Federal Trade Commission, more power because A, it no longer had to offer evidence establishing injury, B, the definition of what was unlawful expanded to include unfair or deceptive acts, C, both A and B. True or false? Recently, the FTC has taken over power from the states to regulate consumer issues. True, false? False advertising includes material misleading advertisements, material misstatements, and A, material mismanagement, B, material omissions, C, material witnesses. Explain the Kraft Singles case. You may use the audio option to record your answer. True or false? The Figge International case involved false advertising because the product was demonstrated by using a cardboard house, which caught on fire, which was not how house fires actually behaved. Which of the following entities listed below are exempt from the restrictions of the National Do Not Call Registry? A new business coming to the area. B, charities such as Meals on Wheels. C, surveys about your recent appliance purchase.